Hello guys, in this basic video, I will show how to insert a long dash in Microsoft Word document. So first thing you have to do, click on insert. Then here, click on this drop down underneath symbol. Then here, click on more symbols. In font, you have to select normal text, subset, select here general. So you will see all type of dash. You can use this character code, and also guys you can use shortcut 2010 for hyphen. Press enter or insert. Similar figure dash shortcut key 2012 alt plus X. Control plus number key and dash shortcut key for this symbol. M dash horizontal bar 2015 for this. So thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.